Okay, so this is my 2015 EcoBoost Mustang. She's real sexy, huh? Anyways, this video is to explain how to get rid of the active noise sound that is made through your exhaust, played through the stereo. And if you have an aftermarket sub like me, yes, I made this box. It's awesome, I know. Anyhow, you might notice through the active noise system that you get a lot of irritating sound when you push the clutch in my case, because I drive a standard, or when you're idling, or when you pass other vehicles and your exhaust echoes under them. You just get a lot of seriously annoying sub sound. It's awful. It could just, it shakes me apart and it pisses me off. I've gone to the point where I've unplugged my sub because I could not stand it. So I am going to show you guys how to fix that problem. Just ignore this right now. I pulled that down. But I'm going to show you the before sound of how irritating it is. Get some music going. Should probably disconnect my phone. Sorry, disconnecting the Bluetooth.
Babe, yeah.
It's just me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die. 'Cause I got me for life.
No more straight, now I'm straight. Now I get it, now I take time to think before I make mistakes, just for my family's sake. That part of me left yesterday, the heart of me is strong today. No regrets, I'm blessed to say the old me dead and gone away.
Okay, so I've already unplugged the microphone running to the back. Okay, there's this microphone thingy back here, about 3 inches from the back window. You want to unplug that and make sure you're plugging the right thing, because you don't want to mess with your Bluetooth, your hands-free, you don't want to mess with any of that. So right now, I guess she's not going to do it. She's not going to make all the annoying sounds like she normally does. I don't know, it's a hit or miss. But I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. If you have an aftermarket sub and you have all this irritating extra bass sound going on, my car's been running a while, so it's warm. So it's probably not going to do it. It's not all the time. Anyways, I'm being annoying now, so I'm going to show you my sub. Once I find a song. Oh my god. Sorry. My iPod is so random. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that works. Okay, that's enough of that shit. Okay. You're gonna might have a hard time fitting in the back seats. I'm small and I have a hard time. Okay, so this, come on, focus. This is that little speaker I was telling you about. So you might be thinking, oh, I gotta pull down the whole headliner. No, you don't. I just started doing this because I was trying to, figure out where the cables ran to, what was what. And I was thinking, oh, I can't find any videos either on how to freaking take down my headliner.